Realistic grain elevates digital visuals by adding subtle photographic character. Today, how to design realistic grain effects. Open Photoshop and create a 1920 by 1080 canvas with a neutral background. Add a new layer filled with 50% gray and apply Add Noise at about 45% Gaussian monochromatic. Change blend mode to Overlay for natural blending. Duplicate the layer and scale it slightly to vary grain size. Apply Gaussian blur at about 0.6 pixels to soften harsh pixels. Lower opacity of both layers until the grain feels natural and understated. Add a brightness contrast adjustment clipped to the grain to fine-tune